The 2011 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, passenger airbag, CD player, fog lamps. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.